Here we are having the integration of cos of x minus of sine x upon cos of x plus of sine x, and in we are multiplying 1 plus sine 2x. So we can write 1 plus sine 2x, that is equal to cos square x plus sine square x, and 2 sine x cos of x, that is equal to cos of x plus sine of x to the whole square. So let's write everything. You will write it as cos of x minus of sine of x upon cos of x plus of sine of x, and multiply it with cos of x plus of sine of x to the whole square. If you can cancel this value, you will write it as cos of x minus of sine of x, cos of x plus of sine of x. That can be written as cos square x minus of sine square x. So we can write the value of cos square x minus of sine square x, that is equal to cos 2x dx can be written as sine 2x by 2 plus of c.